This 2016 Winnebago Navion 24J is a Class C RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 25 feet 5 inches in length and features a wood, gray interior, sleeps 6, oven, awning, TV, auxiliary battery, skylight, DVD player, LP detector, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, and 32 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2016 Winnebago Navion 24J is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.